Hey y'all, it's Kyla Mack and
we back. And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we and we back, and we back.
So guys, today I'm gonna be doing a favorite products video, my go-to products video, because I feel like if you like my makeup, I use the same stuff pretty much all the time. So why not know, what's my favorites? So then if you like my makeup, you can get on the same wave, because I be on the same wave every single time I do my makeup. Well, let me not say every single time, majority of the time. So if you want to know what my go-to products are, stay tuned. Before we get started though, I want to talk to y'all about this lip gloss I have on really quick. This is KChristiona. I'm going to put her Instagram link in the description. Right now, she's doing pre-order for her lip gloss. This is Yummy Yaya that's on my lips, you know what I'm saying? So I put it on with a brown lip liner because y'all know me. I love a brown lip liner, clear gloss. This gloss has like gold glitters in it. You can't quite see it on camera, but it is popping. And as you can see, my lips are shining. Popping. I know she's selling 1 for $6. I got mine, so go get yours, baby. Okay. All right, so let's get into my go-tos. I don't do favorites videos because I use the same products all the time, and my favorite products are just my favorite products. So yeah, my favorite glitter glue, the Too Faced glitter glue. Y'all know I don't buy high-end products like that, but this right here, it's worth it. I still have the first tube. I had this from senior year of high school. I am now a junior coming up in college. So yeah, this will last you, and it'll put your glitter on. It'll make it lay flat. It don't have the glitter flaking off like this right here. I will never let this go. Never, never. My go-to liquid liner. I don't like to use any other liquid liner. When I have to buy a different liquid liner, I get upset because this is Old Faithful. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. It's so black. It's so liquidy. The brush is the brush is stiff yet flexible. Like I can just paint this on like a masterpiece. Like this is perfect. This is perfect. There is nothing wrong with this, and it's cheap. It's just the bottle is really small, but that's it. So go get this. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at Walgreens. You can get it at CVS. Anywhere they sell Wet n Wild. Get the black one. It's lit. Okay, it's super, super lit. Also, in the eyes category, don't judge me. Okay, listen. I'm a messy individual. Okay, very messy. I have messy hands. Do messy makeup. Like I'm just messy. Okay, so my palette is a little raggedy looking, okay? But it's just makeup hands. It's just makeup hands. I don't see how some of y'all keep the packaging so white. God bless y'all. I'm not the one. My Jaclyn Hill palette. Just look at the conditioning. So I recently found out that I have the original release palette, and I guess after the original release, there were more made, but with different packaging, has the names on the back and everything, and mine is just disgusting. So that's what happened. The ring light is trying to clean me out, but no, this is what it's looking like. Okay. Oh, look at the back. The back is just even worse. But this is by Morphe. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm not a big Jaclyn Hill fan or nothing like that, but the palette is fire, so I had to get it. I don't know where everybody got the name thing from. Mine did not come with the names on the palette. It says this palette is dedicated to my loving subscribers. That's very nice of you, Jaclyn. That's very nice of you. Y'all, look at this palette. This palette is perfect, especially if you are a rising makeup artist or an aspiring makeup artist or just a freelance makeup artist. You need this palette in your life. This has all the neutral colors, all the dark colors, all the smoky colors, and then you got some little pops of color over here. Now this one broke, which I'm really sad about, but I still got some remnants in there to work with. But you get all these different like ranges of colors. They got warm and cool. Like, what more do you need? Like, when I tell you this is a palette I reach for all the time, I use this palette for this look. Like, this is the main palette I reach for. Sometimes I don't even use another palette. Y'all, this palette is worth the money. It's not, I don't think it's that expensive. I'll put the price on the screen, but I knew I had to get this because look at these colors. You get some metallics, and when I tell you these metallics are so pigmented, y'all, this is one of the best palettes that I own, and I will, if I needed to rebuy one, I will buy another one. Okay, now that's an all-time favorite. I'm gonna sneak in this little favorite because I'm still kind of feeling it out, but this is the Morphe 35B. This is like one of my, this is my favorite color palette, but it's my go-to right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, that may change if I find one better, but this one is pretty pigmented for the price. It's a good price. I'll put the price on the screen as well. Morphe just makes really good quality shadows in my opinion. So if you gonna go for an eyeshadow palette, go get you one from Morphe before anybody else. Like, if you just want a good eyeshadow palette. So I like these colors. You know, y'all see me do some colorful looks if you follow me on Instagram. That's mainly where they come from. I haven't gotten to Take Me Back to Brazil. I heard that's, you know, the shit's naive, but I'm gonna just go with my 35B. My favorite eyelash glue is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I don't use any other eyelash glue but this eyelash glue. To me, this is the best eyelash glue. It's clear, it sticks, it's like really, really tacky. It's got a brush, so you just brush it on the lash. I like to brush mine on thick because I want mine to stay and stick to my eye. And that's what this does. Like, it just does it for me. So you can get this at Walgreens, Walmart. You can really get it probably at any drugstore, probably even the beauty supply store. Like, yeah, get your hands on this. My favorite pair of lashes at the moment though, Dodo Lashes D301. Hands down, they were the ones I'm wearing right now. They look like mink lash extensions, and I don't have the budget to get a full set of lash extensions, so I throw my little strips on. I need to get a new pair because these are old. I will buy these multiple times, multiple times, because they just look wonderful. Okay, magnificent. And if you want to get these lashes or any other lashes from Dodo Lashes, you can use my code KylaaMac with 2 C's and you can get 5% off. It ain't much, but listen, the lashes are pretty inexpensive to start with, so get in where you fit in, okay? I don't have a favorite eyebrow product because y'all know it's a struggle between me and my eyebrows. But if you want to know what eyebrow product this is, I've been using the NYX eyebrow gel for a minute now. This color is Espresso. You just got to know how to work with it. So that's all I can really say. I'm not going to be like this is an all-time favorite because... All right, for my face products. My all-time favorite concealer. This is my go-to. Okay, this is the definite go-to. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. This... If you haven't used LA Girl, I don't know where you've been, what you've been on, if you've been slacking. I don't know. You need to tell me because I can't figure it out for you. Like, if you have not been put on game, they're cheap. They're not full coverage, but they're medium to full coverage. I have pretty decent skin, so I don't really have that much to cover. But I own these in a lot of colors, okay? And my color corrector is even by them. So get you one of these if you're a newbie, you know what I'm saying? This is considered a face product, but I use it under my eyebrows. So I should have put it in the eyes, but we're gonna put it in the face because it's mostly used for your face. This is the Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Artist Cream, and this is the medium dark. But as you can see, this pan is empty. That was my under eyebrow color, and this is my above eyebrow color. But the only thing that sucks is when you run out of one color, you don't want to buy a whole nother palette. So I just bought a cheaper alternative. They have plenty of versions, but this is my favorite brand to get it from. So this is the Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Kit. You can use this if you like to cream contour and stuff. I'm not really a big fan of that, so... But yeah, and I also use this for like when I have lighter girls. But yeah, just get you one of these. Whew, I'm out of breath. So I don't really have a go-to foundation at the moment. I have a more like a, if you don't know what else to go for the Maybelline Fit Me, the matte and poreless. That's always a good option, okay? You can never go wrong with that. So this is not necessarily my go-to, but more like, you know, when I don't know what to go for, I'ma go to it, okay? My favorite go-to powder. If you have been watching me or following me or whatever for a minute, you know I love this powder right here. This is the MAC Patrick Star Powder. I don't know if this was limited edition or what, but when I tell you I cherish this thing, like this sets my under eye and the rest of my, you know, highlighted parts so well. I don't know what I would do without it. Like, I don't even pick up my Airspun no more because this is it. If you can get your hands on this, get it, okay? It's worth it. This is worth the money. My sister got it for me for Christmas, and I'm so thankful that she did, because if I did not have this, I don't know like what my face would be looking like, to be honest. Go to contour, okay? This is the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in Ebony Bronze. Now, this can be hard to find sometimes. I think you can find it at Target, but this is my baby right here. Every brown skin girl I know asks me what I contour. Well, not every brown skin girl I know, but you know, a lot of brown skin girls that see my makeup in person, they ask me what do I contour with, because I like a warm bronze contour. I don't like the cool tone. I know that's what you're supposed to contour with, but I don't like that look. I like to look bronzed and sun-kissed and, you know, golden. This gives me that look, like, and it's subtle. I don't like I like a harsh contour, but I want it to look like blown out. You know, when you make this face and it looks like that. Get y'all that. I highly recommend that if you're a nice deeper brown skin girl, kind of like myself. So my favorite highlighter, hands down. I may do a different highlight for a different look, but hands down, this is my go-to favorite highlighter. This is the Crayon Case in Glola. It's a loose highlighter, which I was scared of at first, but you got to use the right brush. I like this brush for it, like a domed, fluffy brush. This is the BH Cosmetics brush number 4. So if you need a good brush because you want to get this, there you go. There's the combo. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. It's like powdered gold, literally. Like, just look at it. And it's so much product in here. You would not, I don't think you'll have to rebuy this, honestly. You would probably not have to repurchase this for years. This right here, I can't tell y'all, like, and it blends into the skin so nicely. I like a more subtle highlight. I like a lot of highlight, but not like blow. Like, I want you to see it and boom, and boom, and boom. Like, every angle you hit it, bow, bow, bow. That's what I like about this. You can just blend it in. When I tell you none of this is sponsored, I really be loving my like, when I love a product, I really do love it. My go-to lip products. So my go-to lip products, if you used to follow me, like back in the day, like back in the day with the old videos that ain't on this channel no more, you would know that I used to be a matte lipstick lipaholic, okay? And I still, you know, I'll still dabble in a little matte lipstick. I'll show y'all my favorite matte lipstick brand and kind to go for. But my go-to lip combo, it's a brown lip liner. It don't matter which one. I prefer this one, the LA Girl Endless Liner in the color Cocoa. This is a warm brown. I like warm browns, okay? I haven't been able to get my hands on it again, so I've been using this one. This is the Nicka K Auto Lip Liner in the color Brown. This is a more cool tone brown. When I tell you these colors matter to me because it gives 2 different looks, in my opinion. Yeah, I prefer this one over this one, but this is the one I've been using. But just get you a brown liner, okay? I'm about to give y'all the tips. I'm pretty sure most of y'all know this. Y'all should know this. Lip gloss. Now, I know you girls love lip gloss. We all love lip gloss, don't we? Don't we? The lip gloss is popping. The lip gloss is cool. And if you are a token black girl, you know about the beauty supply store lip gloss. You know that'd be the best lip gloss, right? Right. So now we're going to have a debate. I know some people like the Ruby Kisses lip glosses, but this one right here, if you don't have this one right here, I don't care if you like the cocoa butter one. I mean, not cocoa butter. What is it? The shea butter one, the rose hypno. It's this one. This one's the best one. This is the Broadway Mint Oil Lip Gloss. These, first of all, just get any of them, okay? Just get any of them if you can. Just get at least one of these. But I like the mint oil, and it's just so juicy. Like, I'm gonna just show y'all. I'm gonna put it on top of this one. I love to layer lip gloss. Look. Look. Girl, do you see that shine? And they're so cheap. Like, I lost this and I did not know what to do. Like, I literally did not know what to do. I could not tell you what to do. This takes your lip gloss to the next level because you can put on a sticky lip gloss. Like, this one is more like a sticky lip gloss and they look great. But then to extend it on top, level it up, you put this mint oil on top of it, it's going to give it a whole different finish. You put this mint oil on top of any lipstick, you are going to look like a glossy goddess. Like, please, y'all, get at least one of this kind. It don't have to be the mint oil, but I recommend the mint oil. You get any kind you want, but just get your hands on this. Because if you ain't had this, you've been sleeping. You've been sleeping, okay? You've been sleeping hard, sleeping. The last lip gloss, the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in Champagne Glam. Now, this is what I do with my nude lip most of the time. If you see that, it's most likely I got this on. It's like a champagne. This is my second bottle. I don't know if y'all know Drea Benty Vegas. She got me put onto this. Cause she just a master of the nude lip. You put this on a nude lip, sister girl, this is it. Okay, this is it. It's got little gold like shimmer in it. So beautiful on the lips. Like, I will put it on now, but I got on so much lip gloss, it's crazy. But this right here, you do these three, you have the perfect lip gloss. You got the perfect lip. Like, there's no denying it. When it comes to liquid lipsticks, I have a video swatching all my liquid lipsticks, and I'll link it down below or in the eye, whichever side it's on. But Milani, by far, hands down, gets my stamp of approval for the go-to liquid lipstick. They're so matte. Now, they are very dry. I'm not gonna lie to you, they're very dry. But I like my matte lipstick dry because then I know what it looks like and it looks flawless. So I would definitely get these. Now, if you don't like dry lips and stuff that's gonna stay on your lips for a long time, do not get this. But this is my favorite. So yeah, guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe while you're at it. And until next time, guys, hugs and kisses.
Don't wanna deal with the nagging girl, the average girl. Ooh, yeah. And you the homie, you the baddest girl. I'm asking, girl.